Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ban error 9004. So this is a Windows version error. So you're currently running an older version of Windows that will no longer be supported by Vanguard, and you have to check which version you're running and then check the supported versions. And for you to do so, you have to go to search and go to run and then type in win ver and then click OK. And for me, I have Windows 11, but for you, it'll say here Windows 10 version, I don't know, 22, half 2 or something, if you didn't update it a bunch. And if you're running the version below 20H1, you have to update your Windows or your game won't work at all. And to update it, now to update the Windows, on Windows 10, you go to search and type in settings. And you go to settings and then update and security or Windows update on Windows 11, and then check for update, and then you install the update. Now it might install Windows 11 for you, and then once you install Windows 11, you have to enable secure boot and trusted computing TPM 2.0. So for you to check if secure boot is on, you go to search, type in run again, and then type in ms info. It will open this window and look for here secure boot state. If it says off, then you have to enable it in BIOS, and look also for this baseboard product. It says MSI B450 Gaming Pro. So with that information, you go to YouTube and type in how to enable secure boot B450 MSI. And depending on whichever motherboard you have, if you have Asus, then you type in Asus, or whichever motherboard you have, Asus, EVGA, ASRock, etc. So I have a video for my motherboard, how to enable secure boot, and I'll show you it, and then I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 also.
Hey guys, just a quick video showing you how to change the BIOS on MSI motherboard. I have B450, I think, with updated BIOS, so it looks like this. So you won't be able to play like Valorant and I don't know what, maybe League incoming if you don't have the secure boot enabled. So what you want to do is go advanced, find Windows OS configuration, enter that, change this. If it's on CSM, change it to UEFI. Once you change it, restart the computer again and enter BIOS again, and then go to secure boot. Change this to standard. It will be on like custom. This change it to standard, and then change this to enabled, and then restart it again, and it should work.
And now I'll show you how to enable TPM 2.0 on the same motherboard, B450 MSI.
Hi guys, this is how you enable TPM 2.0 on MSI motherboard. So you restart the PC. And then spam delete key till you open BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, head over to security tab. Click on trusted computing and then security device support, enable that, and then leave this AMD CPU TPM enabled. Once you've done that, head over to save, click on save changes and reboot, and that's it. That's how you enable TPM 2.0.
Now, if you're panicking and your motherboard is super old, or your PC is older and you don't have a TPM module on your motherboard, fear not, you don't have to buy a new PC for you to be able to play the game. You can buy simply the module, which is I don't know, 20 bucks or less on AliExpress. And then you simply plug it into your motherboard and go over through the step where you just enable the TPM 2.0 in the BIOS, and then you should be able to play Valorant normally, and you don't have to buy a super expensive or a new PC for it to work. I'll leave links down below for Amazon and AliExpress for the modules. Now, the only thing you gotta look for is like, look for one which is like the same. It says like for ASUS, for MSI, for ASRock. Depending on your motherboard manufacturer, you want to buy like that version of the TPM 2.0 module so it like fits and it works properly. Now, after you enable both Secure Boot and TPM 2.0, the last thing you want to do is head over to search, type in run, and then type in here services.msc. Click OK. It will open this window. You click somewhere here once, press V on your keyboard till you find VGC, double click on it, and this will be set to manual. You want to set it to automatic, click apply, and then like start it. Click here, start. Okay, and you want to restart your PC one more time and then boot up the game again, and your game should work properly and everything should be fine. And yeah, that's it. That's how you fix Vanguard 9004. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.